All right then, just a bit of a product highlight video. This is the bonnet ram kit. This is for a Ford Capri, and this is the stainless steel variant specifically, but there are other, there's a bare steel, mild steel one, there's a powder coated one which is currently wrapped up, and there's plenty more here to be welded. Stainless steel, I have about 8 kits left, and then I'll do another batch at some point. Basically how they work is they bolt on to the strut top of a Ford Capri, and they do away with the annoying bonnet stay at the front, and they lift the bonnet a good bit higher so you don't hit your head in the corner of it every 2 seconds using gas struts. So to fit them, it's 3 bolts on each side. These just bolt on these rings, no modifications required. The ram, this end of the ram bolts through this eyelet here, and then the other end you have to drill 2 holes in the bonnet hinge support panel, or like the bonnet hinge strengthener bit, and there's a template provided with the kit to show you exactly where to drill so you don't mess it up. These can be found over at my website, which is www.krisdupreysgarage.com. I'll stick the link down in the description, possibly on the screen, depends how good I am at video editing at this point. They are currently priced at £78.50. They're reduced at the moment. They're usually around £95, I think. For the stainless steel version, I think they're around £75 for the powder coated and down to 60 something quid for the mild steel unpowder coated bare ones. But all the links to all these here are all in the description. Go and have a look, and yeah, definitely worthwhile. I'm going to take you now and show you out on my own Capri, which is using a strut brace variant of this system. Same system, apart from there's a bar in the middle. So let's show you how it works, and yeah, hopefully that helps you make your mind up. Right, so from about halfway up, lift itself on up. This is the mighty PD130, but as you can see, it bolts on through that bit of the support bracket there, and as I said, there's a template provided to drill in the right place. And yes, it just gets to about halfway, then drop as per usual. If you want to buy one, I'll put the link down in the description or the comments wherever this is posted. They are definitely worthwhile. It's the first thing I do whenever I get a new car. Stick one of these on, means working on it is a breeze. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.